The new Imperial sets the standard for lightweight, high-performance footwear designed to comfortably power through the demands of professional-level racing and training. The Easton EC90 SLX2 carbon fiber plate is engineered to provide the ultimate stiffness-to-weight ratio. The heart of the Imperial is Giro's proprietary Sync-Wire upper construction. Sync-Wire is made from an advanced monofilament mesh, reinforced with thermal welded structure to help you get the most out of every pedal stroke, with the durability you need to go the extra mile. Comfort and on-the-fly adjustability are essential when you're giving your all, so we equipped the Imperial with micro-adjustable BOA IP1 dials and specially designed soft lace guides, eliminating potential hot spots and other discomforts that can slow you down. The Imperial, wired for speed.
The RX8, I think the big difference, the big change, it's a single BOA. So there's one BOA and then a Velcro strap, which is really nice. It's plenty of adjustability because it's actually substantially lighter than the XC9. I'm surprised to see how much lighter the shoe is.
They're so lightweight. I can't believe how excellent it's been on some of the longer endurance rides I've done. They're perforated, so anytime I've gone through water, they've been able to dry out pretty quickly, which has been a huge benefit. No one wants soggy feet when they're riding. I don't care if it's hot or cold out. You want your shoe to dry out.
You clip into the shoe, your feet are clipped in. The S-Fire, you kind of have a little bit more float. RX8, it's nice and solid. Good for power transfer.
It just seems like a really advanced shoe for gravel riding.
There's so much that's special about this new shoe. We've innovated from the ground up every single part of the shoe. We've broken down, analyzed, looked at the feedback, and built into the new shoe that we see on here on the table today. Everything we do is driven by science. We really want things that we can test and evaluate and actually measure a performance difference. And it's all about just supporting the natural angulation of the body itself, of the foot, the knee and the hip, to reduce the chances of injury and also increase the amount of power and comfort you have when you're riding in the shoe. The aim of the creation of this shoe is something that people can be proud of, to own and to ride in. And so every single element, the finishing that we've aimed for at this top level, we're really aiming for something really highly engineered and a switch swatch kind of feeling rather than a toy-like quality. We really focus on making something that people can be proud of. My name is Rob Cook. I look after shoe design here at Specialized.
Libertad, satisfacción. Ha marcado para siempre mi vida.
Io non mi sento grato di correre in bici e di far parte di questo gruppo.
Lo que sientes dentro de ti, el tener la emoción, el querer hacerlo bien, el querer ganar, eso es parte de una competición.